Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're uncovering how your JPEGs hide 3 invisible layers controlling your privacy and profits. You might think a photo is just pixels. Nope. Every single shot secretly carries 3 hidden layers of metadata. These layers are Exif, IPTC, and XMP. Confusing them literally costs creators critical search visibility and total image control. As you can see here, each standard was built by totally different creators for completely different, specific purposes. First up, Exif. Finalized by SEPA, think of it as the camera's diary, automatically logging technical stuff like shutter speed. But wait, EXIF also logs your GPS coordinates to 3-meter accuracy. That's a massive hidden privacy risk. Next is IPTC, the revenue layer. News agencies created it to attach human-written captions, bylines, and vital copyrights. Sites like Shutterstock read up to 50 IPTC keywords per image. This layer actually drives your stock sales. So, compare the camera's automated Exif diary with the human-driven, revenue-generating power of IPTC. Huge difference, right? Finally, Adobe dropped XMP in 2001. It's a modern master wrapper mirroring the others and adding custom data. Inside Lightroom, XMP basically runs your workflow. It reads data, tracks your edit history, and syncs everything for export. XMP has 7 wild superpowers. It survives software round trips and stores complex hierarchical keywords without losing a single detail. The crazy part? All 3 of these layers stack together inside dedicated segments within one single JPEG file. But editing IPTC here and XMP there causes conflicting metadata that completely confuses downstream platforms like Shutterstock. Also, Google prioritizes your human-written IPTC fields for ranking, while older web scrapers might literally only read EXF. To keep your visibility, syncing the stack is mandatory. Every single platform needs to see the exact same data. This is where tools like Exif Injector come in. They write cleanly across Exif, IPTC, and XMP simultaneously. This professional sync permanently prevents that nightmare of metadata looking perfect locally but getting rejected by stock sites. So, are your photos leaking secrets or losing sales? How secure is the hidden data you just shared?
Your images carry more than pixels. They carry your brand, your location, your copyright. With Exif Injector, you inject the right metadata into every photo. Exif, IPTC, XMP. In bulk, in seconds. Whether you sell on Etsy, Shopify, or stock platforms, your images finally speak to search engines. Give life to your images. Visit exifinjector.com. Start free today.